What's up gummies, Senior Gumboy here. And you're tuned into a new series where I'm doing these daily videos, daily rants on whatever topic that comes to mind. And today's topic is Jacquees says he's the king of R&B of this generation. And if you don't know who Jacquees is, he's pretty much famous for doing a remix to LMA's Boot Up. I'm a rider, boot up, something, boot up. He did his own version, which a lot of people think was better than her version. There's nothing wrong with doing a version of LMA's song because a lot of people did, but where Jacquees kind of messed up is he tried to monetize it. And we know about copyrights and all these things because a lot of YouTubers, we keep getting those copyrights, strikes, damn you YouTube. Some people still managed to keep a copy of his version though. So his version got taken down. But he said he's the king of R&B of this generation, which got a lot of people pissed.
What's good, y'all? What's good? I know I got a pimple on my chin. I'm gonna bust that later. But I just want to let everybody know that I'm the king of R&B right now for this generation. I understand who done came and who done did that and that and that, but now it's my turn. Jacquees, the king of R&B. I just heard him say it, and I've been feeling like that. ATL, let's get it. I'm the new king of R&B.
The debate got so heated that even some of the celebrities had to chime in. Jay Holiday. Y'all remember Jay Holiday? I'm gonna put you to bed, bed, bed. This is what Jay Holiday had to say.
All right, listen up, man. This is from one R&B singer to the rest of y'all motherfuckers, man. Listen here. And this is some real shit from my heart. That shit, that bullshit that man said, there's 3 kings of R&B. The first one sold 20 million on his first album. I'm not valet, baby. Not with a Gucci jacket on. I'm not valet, baby. The second king of R&B is from Chicago. And the third one is from Tappahannock. 4 and 5 right here.
The nerve of these
niggas. The nerve of these.
Ha! The lady said he's a valet. He had his hits. Other celebrities like Tank. So this is what Tank had to say about this whole king of R&B debate. First, R. Kelly is the king of R&B. The accusations don't disqualify what he's accomplished. Second, if you can't go in the studio by yourself and make a hit record, you're not my king. If you can't sing it better live, you're not my king. I appreciate all the talent out there, but we are using the word king way too loosely. And under that post, he had to caption, every artist is supposed to believe they can fly, but only one man made it happen, at R. Kelly. His body of work is still a Bible. I love all the artists out now and some have amazing success, but to be the king, you have to beat the king. And his stats still stand. Imagine if I can read it. I can read it, I swear. Imagine if I Believe I Can Fly had streaming when it dropped. Jeesh. I'll let you guys focus on kings and queens. I'll stay focused on being around for 20 years. And Jamie Foxx commented, preach. Me personally, I agree with Tank. I think the king of R&B is R. Kelly. You remind me of my Jeep. I wanna ride. Are you sick? The man has had hits. Only person that kind of maybe, is Usher. And Usher has some hits. Like when I think of R&B albums, I think of TP2.com and Confessions. TP2.com had so many hits. Someone pressed charges on the album. It had so many hits. Corny joke, I know. Feeling on your booty, booty. Panties aren't dropping when that song comes on. Some other celebrities had to, get their 2 cents in on the matter of who the king of R&B is. Chrissy Teigen, for those of you who don't know who she is, that's John Legend's wife and she has a really small bum. She wrote, the heated debate on my timeline is who is the current king of R&B? It's a doozy of a thread and hilarious. I like the way doozy. But it leaves me asking, what kind of music does John make? Because she's always defending her husband and rightfully so. She's a rider, she'll fight you. Is he left out? Jokes are welcome. Ha! That is a joke because John Legend don't make no R&B. He makes like elevator music, good elevator music, but he doesn't really make R&B. And then of course, John Legend answered himself. This is what John Legend had to say. Honestly, I don't think there is a king of R&B right now. Anyone consistently dominating the charts, selling out arenas, etc. a la Usher at his prime, not a comment on quality. I think the throne is open right now. Part of me is talking myself into saying Bruno or Weeknd, but I'm sure they neatly fit into the game. Bruno Mars, The Weeknd, not really R&B again. It's like this weird poppy kind of mix-up thing. Not really R&B. In true R&B at its essence. 21 Savage. 21, 21, 21, 21, 21, 21, 21, 21. He says all that. Come on, Grandpa. Yo old ass ninjas gotta start letting the young ninjas shine. Y'all don't give us no game or help, but ready to go against us every chance y'all get. Grumpy ass. I don't know about that because people like R. Kelly have given you game with their endless hits upon hits upon hits. Okay, 21, 21. And you know, Mr. Grumpy Pants himself, Tyrese, had to say something. How, Sway? How? The way we all reacted. Let me put you on to what's really moving, bruh. This ain't hip hop, my ninja. You can't come in the game, get hot for a year, and try T69. Ninja and throw that 3 words king around. I'ma keep it a stack with you. The young king of your generation that's been running shit is number 1, Chris Brown official, Breezy, and 2, Trey Songz. Yeah. Big facts. FYI, the last real R&B album through and through that has the integrity and blueprint of the culture that was made with no skips was 3 Kings. I guess that was Tyrese's last album, his thing with, you know, TLG, you know. Self-plug, we gotta do it, right? You got this out of T69 playbook. Stop trolling my ninja, get back in the booth. And by T69, I think he means Tekashi 69, who's now being indicted because he's an idiot and likes to troll too much. I guess R. Kelly got wind of this. He took a break from his, you know, hostage holding of women or something, allegedly. And he posted a little pic on the gram of him sitting in a chair, not the one that he, you know, was sitting on when Peen was flying. Allegedly. There's a video. And he put the caption with a crown. So, you know, R. Kelly believes in himself that he is the true king of R&B. So that's what's been happening today. Let me know what you guys think. Who is the true king of R&B, or who is the R&B king of this generation? In my opinion, the king of R&B is R. Kelly. If we're gonna give the, you know, generational king of R&B, then I would probably say Chris Brown. Because he's a little bit younger than Usher, but I also pick Usher over Chris Brown. I mean, that's just me. Would I? I don't know. But you guys let me know in the comment section below. See you later, gummies, senior gum boy. Peace, like, subscribe. Later.